Bless up Links TV family. So since the new year I've not touched base with you guys. So hope that you guys are doing fine. And I just want to wish for you all a productive new year. You know that last year was a very rough year for most of us. And we're venturing into the year 2021. And with all that is going on around the world, we know that we're still in a difficult time. Still many challenges there to deal with, and the whole entire thing that is going on around the world. The year 2020 was one of those years that has gone down in history, and we will forever remember that year. But let us start the year on a positive note, and despite what you went through last year, this is a new year, so you can just put those problems behind you and just make a brand new start. Put your mind to what you want to achieve, and despite what is going on around the world, just know that you have life, and that is what you need to be thankful for. So if you're watching this video right now and you're saying to yourself, last year was a terrible year, you should be thankful, because guess what? Many people right across the world, they did not get a chance to see this year. Thousands of people lost their life last year, not because they did something wrong, not because they wanted to not be here, but because of what is going on around the world. So with that said, you should be grateful for just having life, and whatever you put your mind to, even though at times it's going to be difficult and at times you're going to seem as if you want to give up, but no, just know that whatever you put your mind to, you can achieve with all the circumstances that are around there and what is going on in the world. It's challenging for many, and we're going to have it to deal with in this year, but just be positive about life, and just think about your family, your friends, and think about the wonderful memories that you shared with them through last year into this year. And just know that it's a new year, and we're going to have to just know that we're going to have to do what we have to do in order to propel ourselves into that right direction. So bless up you guys, and just know that whatever you do, just give it your all, and just continue to just be safe wherever you are in the world. Much love, much respect goes out to you all. Thanks for the support in last year, and thank you for just coming over this year, and I wish you all the best, a productive year and a safe one as well, and just live, love, and be blessed. This is Links 007 TV taking out once more. I tell you, very good to see that you guys are actually in the place, Blessed.